January 2019 Maths Paper 2. Question 1. Let's go. Evaluate 3.8 times 10 squared plus 1.7 times 10 cubed. Give me your answer in standard form. 3.8 times 10 squared plus, wait, we can do this now, my 1.7 times 10 cubed. So this answer is 2080. And all we get must be clearly shown, and I didn't see using calculator here. So to me this is 3.8 times 100 plus 1.7 times 1000. This gives me 380 plus 1700. This gives me 2080. We want the answer in standard form, so this is 2.08 times 10 to the power of 3. Decimal point will have moved 3 times. Let me know if you understand that. I think you could find another video on YouTube with me explaining this question. A half times 3 over 5 divided by 3.5, giving your answer the fraction in its lowest term. All working must be clearly shown. So G's. Alright, so let's look at the numerator first. Numerator, half times 3/5 is the same as 3 over 10. Denominator, call it me now, right? I'm alright. Hello? Sorry about that. Editor. Alright, denominator is 3.5. So 3.5, if we switch that to mixed numbers, I am getting, I don't know about you, but 3 by 2 plus 1, 7 on 2. 7 and 2 sounds good. So therefore, the solution will be the numerator divided by the denominator. The numerator divided by the denominator. Denum is going to be 3/10 divided by 7 over 2. This is the same as 3/10 multiplied by 2 over 7. Back, 5, 7 is 35. I'm getting 3 over 35. We'll double check that while we editing because I was interrupted by a phone call. Alright, so that's 2 parts done, or 1 part. Express 6 as a binary number, so the quick step to do this is 6, 2 into that, 3, 2, oh, remainder important. 2 into 6, 3, remainder 0, 2 into 3, 1, remainder 1, 2 into 1, 0, remainder 1, read it this way, 1, 1, 0, base 2. John bought a car for 65,000. If the value of the car depreciates by 8% each year, how much will the car be worth at the end of 2 years? Compound interest, but this is in the form of depreciation. Let me show you a shortcut. So after 1 year, somehow I managed to put 1 year as one word, so we can live with that. After 1 year, 65,000 will depreciate by 8%, which means the new value will be 92%. 92% as a decimal is 0.92 times the original value. And after 2 years, let's put 2 as a number this time to avoid that 1 year thing. So after 2 years, it will be another 0.92 of the previous year's in value. So 0.92 times 0.92 times 6500. 0. Squeeze in the next 0 there. So this really is 0.92 squared. And you should have a nice little answer like 55016 as the value of the car after. How are we going for time? And the table below shows the results obtained by a student in her CSEC maths exam. I remember this question. Funny. The maximum mark for each paper is given in the third column. This is the maximum mark and it all adds up to 100. And this is actually how CSEC paper is structured. 55, 60, 80% is what you got. So you can think of this as like the weighting. It's like 30 out of 100, 50 out of 100, 20 out of 100. So this is like 0.3, 0.5, and 0.2. And if I multiply that by the percent and add it up, I should be good to go. So multiply this by the percent. So it's going to be 55 times 0.3 plus 60% of the multiple of the paper 2, which is half of the marks in the paper, plus 80% of the SBA or the paper 3, which is 0.2, 20% of the marks in the paper. So calculator time to shine here. 55 times 0.3 kind of sus. What are we in there? Okay, we leave that as a fraction. Plus, actually, I want to represent this as 33 over 2. If they say so, 33 over 2. And plus 60 times a half, this is 30, plus 80 times 80. I know my camera focusing on right now, but 80 times 0.2, 60. So 33 over 2 plus 30 plus 16, that should give me my final percentage. %62.5%. Not too good, not too bad. We can live with that percentage. And that brings us to the end of the first question. If you like the video, you know what to do. All the YouTube things: subscribe, like, share, comment. And we will be back with question 2. Maybe tomorrow.